Hey all, Ankit Kishor this side for Stierfleet team and I welcome you back to my channel. So this is a particular trading position that is 18800P and 8950C. So what are the adjustment plan? See, on the chart basis, till the point this high is not gets high does not gets broken. Till that point, I will just keep on holding this particular C. And if this gets broken, so and there is some gamma move also, then in that case, what I will be doing, my 18800P को switch करूँगा 18850P पे. Okay, and if some down move happens from here, then in that case, if market moves down to 18845 or 40, then in that case I'll be switching this 18950C to 900. Okay, and so yeah, this is the plan of action as of now in this particular, and on those, after doing those adjustment, I will be putting SL in them, or जो भी SL को पहले hit करेगा, in that way I will be risking off. Okay, but as of now there is no plan to risk it off, and the premium still is not that good, but ठीक है, we have to just keep with it, and at the same time the volatility is also a bit low, so I think it is better off. Okay, so yeah, I will give you update on this later on. Okay guys, quick update, time is 12:07 and as of now I'm with this particular position of 18750P and 18950C. So before I just dropped this position, and you can see it here also. So what happened before that, I was having this particular position 18800P and 18900C. So I was holding this because they were having a good premium and I was expecting a good decay, although that happened, but I was not able to capitalize on it. Reason being, because in this up move right from here, when this up move happened, I raised off 18900 to 950. And then all of a sudden this fall happened, and here I again shifted at 950 to 900, but this up move again costed that asset. So now I thought, okay, it's high time to risk off myself, and that is why I'm not trading. Now I'm sitting with this 200 point strangle, and the plan of action from here is not to get risked off. It is to add on the risk. Means if any move happens in any particular direction, for example, if again market moves to 18875, then what I will do, I'll switch this 18750P to 800, and I will keep on switching it till the point it will become a 50 point strangle. Okay, till that I will keep on switching in that direction wherever market will be moving, and will try to collect as much premium as possible, but that I will only do till 130, and after then I will try to get risk off a bit till 230. Okay, then again I will add on the quantity, not quantity, sorry, I will add on the risk. So this is a plan of action, and why I'm thinking this way, why I will only get aggressive till 130, because after then I'm expecting, as market is very sideways, although I was not able to capitalize that much. Reason being, there were two reasons behind it. The first one is low premium, second one is all these spikes here and there. Okay, they kept on hunting the assets, so that is the reason. But still I'm happy that I am able to I'm sitting with like 7 points of decay, 7 or 8 points of decay, which is really good. So I have no complaint, so to say. But from here, the thing is, I will try to add on risk as much as possible till 130. Let's see how I'm capitalizing on it. And talking about OI data, let me show you this thing. Yeah, talking about the OI data, continuous writing is happening on 18900C and at the same time 18800P. This shows market might remain in this range for a long period of time, and because there is so much of writing that is continuously happening. It's not like some unwinding has happened in between and then again they added it. No, there was a continuous and a smooth build-up that is happening here. So that is why I will wait for wait here to some extent as much as I can, and we'll see how much decay I can capitalize on it. So yeah, I will give you update on this later on. Okay guys, final update, time is 3:27 and I booked everything with 8.7k profit here and 1.6k profit here. Sorry, what is the profit? 1.4k profit here. Okay, so altogether 10k profit for the day, and what a roller coaster ride it has been. I'm lucky enough, I would say, that I dodged a bullet here, but what a movement that has happened after 110. And if you remember in the last clip, I told you that till 130 I will be going aggressive, and after that I won't be, because I was expecting a move today, but not this way where everything has just become 10 times, 20 times, 30 times like it. For example, if I show you this 750 which closed at OTM, from a low of 1 rupee it made a high of 55 rupees. So how to tackle these things is really tough, I would say. And in this candle, this particular candle of 145, at that point of time, I was not holding this, by the way, I was holding 600, I guess, sorry, 650. Yeah, so that also went like 20 something. Okay, wait, 650 भी मैं दिखाता हूँ आपको. Yeah, that went like 12. Okay, from a low of 0.5. So it actually made huge move in this candle, and in this candle at the same time I was holding, I guess, 750 call. Let me show you that also. Wait a while. Okay, 800, I guess I was holding this. see, 145 candle, this was the 145 candle. In this candle, put gain the max, and this particular call which I was holding, it actually didn't decay even for 1 point. So there I got a huge hit, and at a point of time I was down 38-29k, but it never breached 1% risk, which is 45k for the day. It never breached that, so I kept on holding, but I was ready with my exit because max SL for the day was just 1% in any case. So I was ready for that, but that didn't happen after 13, after hitting 39. Means when 145 candle started, at that point of time I was just 20k something, not even 20k, even less than that. But in that single candle, that loss went to 39k, and I just kept on holding it, but again it just lost its value after then, and I again came back to 25-26k. I keep on hustling after then, I keep on adjusting the position, although in call I got a very bad hit in 800. okay, मैं आपको वो भी दिखाता हूँ. I exited at 22, but just here मैंने यहाँ पे 22 पे एग्जिट किया, और उसके जस्ट बाद ये फॉल होकर के वापस 9 पे आ गया था, एंड it was around 155, right? Let me show you that also. So here, see, yeah, I exited at 21 and 21. okay, means on an average 21 is what I exited at. This is the worst premium I took, and after then I again went back into it, and there I got entry at around 12.6 and 11.6, which is almost 12. So a very bad exit, at the same time very bad entry. So that itself has given me a very bad what I can say outcome. Otherwise I would have closed much better than this, but that's fine. In such a movement you can't expect everything to happen perfectly for you, but I'm happy the way I managed today. I'm very happy about it, and that is why I'm closing green, and it will definitely cover the half of it will definitely cover the charges and all. Other than that, it was a good day for me, I would say, and I actually managed to not get any hate in such day, on such a day. See, these days are not to make money, these days are to manage your risk. okay, there will always be some days where you will make easy money, and very plain and simple decay will keep on happening. So that those days are for capitalizing on your capital, but these days are just to protect your capital, and I'm happy that I did it. And yeah, I hope all the analysis and adjustment that I do are making sense to you, and if they do, then please do like and subscribe to my channel. Thanks a lot, and bye bye.